What is an online course? Hey guys, in this video we discuss what is an online course. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Let's get started. An online course is a program of learning that organized according to a syllabus, usually in units, and that takes place in a virtual space. Online course can be informal and focused no one skill or as formal as leading to a certification or degree. Different online courses have different features. Some courses might stick tightly to a syllabus, others might let to you pick up and take a break from the class when your schedule allows. Some might have live discussion groups scheduled over video conferencing at a certain time. Others might simply recorded lectures and let you access the videos of them whenever you like. For more on self-paced online course, see below. And one of the best ways to do an online course is as a short course and do it live. What is a self-paced online course? Self-paced online courses are online courses where you can study units, take tests, access lectures, and complete any coursework on your own time. There is no fixed time scale for completing the syllabus or part for it. It allows for more autonomy over where when one does the coursework, but some find it hard to stay on track with the lack of structure. What are the benefits of online course? There are many benefits of online course. One of main advantage is the flexibility. Online courses are accessible anytime, anywhere. Self-paced online course where earning is self-directed and there are no time commitments beyond what the student is motivated to put in are often ideal for those with demanding schedules or who are trying to balance a family or multiple jobs. Since anyone can teach an online course, there can also be useful for those who want to learn a specific skill from an expert in the field. Many in the creative profession, for example, might not be a certified teacher but have skills they are qualified to share and instruct others in. For example, a professional photographer teaching an online class about digital photography.